For someone who spends a day walking or standing up, or those who have plantar fasciitis, bunions, arthritis, or just about any foot or heel pain, a quiet evening and a comfortable foot massage at home is a perfect dream. With this video, we'll make that dream a reality as we show you the 5 best foot massagers on the market today. If you're interested in the best prices for any of the products here, head on to the description below for the links. Now let's head to the video. The first product on the list as best overall is the Belmont Shiatsu Foot Massager. So you have a very intense job and are always on your feet, which often results in pain and distress. The Belmont Shiatsu Foot Massager is the ultimate machine that will give you the relaxing treat after your long hours at work. Or you may have been struggling with chronic pain, nerve pain, and plantar fasciitis. This incredible foot massager will be your personal therapist to soothe those painful tensions in the comfort of your own home. You'll have unlimited massages at any time that you want without breaking the bank. The Belmont Shiatsu Foot Massager is lightweight and portable. You can bring it anywhere, keep it under your table, in the car, or in the office. With one touch of a button, you'll take pleasure in a deep kneading massage. The built-in heat function will give you a warm sensation and will enhance blood circulation in your feet. With 18 deep kneading nodes that target acupuncture points on your foot, it will help stimulate the blood flow, lessen the effect of edema, lighten the symptoms of PMS, and relieve stress. What's more is that the Belmont is giving you a 100% satisfaction guarantee, giving you more confidence to buy it. Next on the list is the Miko Shiatsu Foot Massager, which is considered the best high-end home massage device in the market. It has 5 pressure levels and deep kneading pressure point stimulation features, which improve blood circulation. Miko Shiatsu Foot Massager has fully customizable preference settings that allow users to select a perfect relaxation experience in the comfort of your home. There are 2 independent chambers that deliver shiatsu massage on the sides and bottom of your feet. The air pressure pads provide necessary pressure to reach even the toughest spots. The heat gently loosens the tension in the ligaments and muscles. The subtle, soothing, and rolling vibration rejuvenates the aching feet and legs. This powerful, compact, and portable foot massager with air pressure from Miko is an excellent health investment, and owning one costs less compared to regular spa, salon, or massage services. It's easy to use, no great effort is required. With just one soft touch of the button, your personal shiatsu massager is ready to melt your stress away. It comes with 2 wireless remotes that help you click the option modes and prevent you from constantly crouching down. Do you like this video so far? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you do. We do all kinds of review videos to help people have easier decisions when purchasing. Don't forget to click on the bell button when you subscribe to be sure you'll get updates. The third on our list as best budget option is the TheraFlow Dual Foot Massager Roller. If you are looking for a foot massager that doesn't need electricity or batteries, then this might be the perfect one for you. This 1.6-pound wooden foot massager has 5 rollers on both sides, 4 of which that are designed to have ridges that are optimally spaced for trigger point stimulation. The last roller for the heels of your feet has 24 separate nubs for acupoint reflexology. The rollers and the whole unit itself are optimally curved to adapt to the natural arch of the foot, making it so that all the rollers are effectively touching your feet as you use it. This portable and light foot massager is designed to soothe foot and heel pain that's brought on by plantar fasciitis, neuropathy, and other foot ailments. With the TheraFlow Dual Foot Massager Roller, you can enjoy the benefits of reflexology at home and at work. Enjoy it while watching TV, reading a book, or just about anything you do while relaxing. It's also a great gift for family and friends, so you can spread the relaxing benefits it brings. By the way, do you have a product or category in mind that you want us to review? We'd be glad to hear what you think and help you with what you want. We do all kinds of review videos that are aimed to help you have a better buying decision. Next on our list as the best compact model is the Moji Foot Pro Compact Foot Massager. This travel-friendly foot massager is your great friend if you want to have a foot massage wherever you are. Since it's just 4 inches wide and just over a pound, it can easily fit in any purse, suitcase, pouch, or backpack, making it an excellent choice if you're always on the go. If you want something lighter than a pound, the travel version may suit you. It's only 4/10 of a pound with the same functionality. This massager is tailored to stretch and knead the foot, releasing the tension and soothing the pain from plantar fasciitis. The high-grade stainless steel spheres dig deep to release pain and break up scar tissue. The non-slip base will ensure that it stays in place as you use it. Just sit on your favorite chair, place the Moji FootPro on the floor, and roll your feet. The rotating spheres move 360 degrees, bringing a unique and powerful massage. To take your massage to the next level, freeze the Moji Foot Massager for an ice massage. The unique 6 rolling sphere design ensures that all sides of your sole and arches will knead. The Gideon Quilted Shiatsu Foot Massager is the last on our list. This amazing foot massager is also a cozy heated foot and toe warmer. Looking for a relaxing day while sipping your favorite hot chocolate and reading a book? Simply slide your feet inside this roomy and oversized pocket massager and enjoy the warmth. In addition to giving warmth, this small and compact machine made with ultra plush fabric has 8 deep penetrating massaging nodes that are effectively designed to imitate professional massage hands and thumbs. This, combined with the cozy heat, provides natural relief from plantar fasciitis, arthritis, foot swelling, bunions, and other foot and heel pain. The Gideon Quilted Shiatsu Foot Massager comes with an easy-to-control corded keypad that helps you relax without having to crouch down. You have full control over the direction and the rotation, as well as the intensity of the heat. The unit also comes with a 15-minute auto-off feature, so you can fall asleep without worrying about it. Well, that concludes our review on foot massagers, and we hope we were able to help you make a decision on which one would be best for you. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be notified of our next uploads. Thanks for watching. For the best prices on the products that were mentioned here, head to the description below for the links.